Chia seeds are tiny, tasteless, and often overlooked, but they might be the most powerful food you're not eating right. From ancient warriors to modern-day nutritionists, chia seeds have earned superfood status for a reason. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mind Hunters. Today we're diving into the ultimate chia seed guide for beginners, a complete breakdown of what they are, how they work, and how you can eat them the right way. So, let's dive in. Chia seeds come from Salvia hispanica, native to Central America. They've been consumed for over 5,000 years, and were once so valuable that they were used as currency by the Aztecs. Chia seeds are super powerful. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds provide 10 grams of fiber, 4 grams of plant-based protein, 5 grams of omega-3 fatty acids, plus calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants. They're gluten-free, low-carb, and completely natural. Now it's time to learn how to eat chia seeds right, and we've provided some important warnings. Here's what most beginners get wrong. You shouldn't eat chia seeds dry, especially not by the spoonful. If you eat them dry and then drink water or other fluids, they may swell in your esophagus or stomach, potentially causing discomfort, bloating, or even a choking hazard in rare cases, especially if you don't drink enough water. Chia seeds absorb 10 to 12 times their weight in water. So the right way to eat them is to soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in half a cup of water or milk for 20 to 30 minutes. This creates a safe, digestible gel perfect for puddings or smoothies. Mix chia seeds into lemon water, let them soak for 15 minutes, and add mint for a refreshing energy drink. Always start small, 1 teaspoon a day, and increase gradually to 1-2 tablespoons as your gut gets used to the fiber. Chia seeds are safe for most people, but there are a few important exceptions. If you're on blood thinners or blood pressure medication or have swallowing difficulties, consult your doctor first. Chia's omega-3 fats can thin blood. If you are allergic to mustard or sesame, start with a very small amount of chia seeds if you're unsure. If you have IBS or sensitive gut, too much fiber too fast can cause bloating, gas, or stomach pain. Hydrate well and increase chia intake slowly. Now here are some storage tips for you. Isapis. Store chia seeds in an airtight container in a cool, dry place, preferably in the fridge if ground. Whole seeds last longer than ground seeds. Chia seeds are a tiny food with massive benefits. They are great for your heart, gut health, skin, and energy levels. But only if you eat them the right way. Have you tried chia seeds before? Let us know your favorite way to use them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more science-backed nutrition videos. Start smart, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.